Hey everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make a blurry face trend tutorial in CapCut. So here, I've already add CapCut and I've already add a photo. So if you want to make the blurry face trend, you can just go to text and find draw. This one's right here. Just click on the draw and here, click on the color picker and choose the drag the color picker to the skin of the object in your photo or video, and after that just brush the face. You can also zoom in to make it clear, and then you can just brush it off like this. Okay, so I'm going to just skip this part. Okay, so I've already done brushing the eye and also the nose and the mouth part of this person, and if you're done, just click on the check icon and here is the result. You can see. So I think that's all. That is how you can make the blurry face trend tutorial in CapCut. I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if you think this video is helpful, please don't forget to click on like and subscribe to our channel. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.